I've been cleaning up the bird of paradise. We had so much rain, it just pushed it all down, and it looked like a snaky place. The chickens, they liked getting underneath it. It was shady, but they still could get underneath there. But we're getting ready to let the horses in the front yard because we got so much rain. So I want to clean this up, open this gate up, get it ready. I had so much bird paradise it covered the gate. And I found some stuff out here. And it looks like a gourd. Right there. We're going to let the horses through here and they'll probably trample it down. And then we got baby paradise out here. Bird of paradise. All these little seedlings here. There's a gob of them all through here. All that rain, it activated the seed. So I was thinking about coming through here, getting some of them seeds, but they already split open. But I might still get some. I got some over here blooming. What happens, they get gas built up in them and then they pop open. Boom! And you can hear them pop in the evening. But the birds like it over here. And there's some more gourds. So, I don't know. I got gourds hanging on this fence, old ones, but I guess their seeds are still good. This is what a baby bird paradise looks like. Like folding hands right there. So, see, I got old gourds. So I guess some gourd seed coming out of them. But I wanted to cut it back and get room in the driveway. It's crowding the driveway. So this evening we're going to open up the gate, let the horses mow the yard. We'll probably do that for about 3 or 4 days. Let them eat that down before we mow it. Here's one of the seed pods. They start swelling up with gas and getting fat. And then when it gets a little fatter, it'll just pop open and shoot out the seeds. So there's one that did it. Let's see. There's one in there and there's another one getting fat. Get it. Little brown seeds. I planted the bird of paradise all out in here for privacy and for the hummingbirds. It's really getting thick. I think I'm going to have to cut them back a little. They're getting in the road. I like them. It really feeds the moths in the evening. I really like them. Here's across the road from us. And the creek used to flood over here. And it got pretty bad. There's some cane right down there. Somebody bought this property. I wouldn't have bought it. It's going to take a lot of work to fill it in. Some older lady. She come down here with her dogs, looked it over, and liked it. So I used to just walk right across here. We rode our horses across here, but all that flood water from the creek came this way. They got the creek fixed now, but it really tore it up. Anyway, there's my cane, my bird paradise, and later in the fall I'll go clean up some of them weeds and feed it to the horses because they love weeds. I'll walk down to the end of the road. We're almost at the end. I used to go out this way, hike down this ditch out in the desert, but it got worse so bad, washed the trail out. At one time, we could ride horses out here. It was fun to walk down there. They got owls in the hose and just all kind of birds getting the hose in the ditch. I see them squirrels running around. This is probably where they live. Yeah, baby squirrels. I hope they enjoy my peaches. But I wouldn't hike it unless it's winter time. Too many snakes. Somebody went down there one time and got in a side chute canyon, and it was springtime, and he heard a bunch of rattlesnakes in the ground or in one of the crevices. So it's only for winter hiking. Just thought I'd show you. A lot of these are tumbleweeds. Right now they're soft and tender. When they dry up, they get pretty thorny. The horses love tumbleweeds, so I might chop them out this fall. They'll even eat them when it's thorny. There's bird of paradise. I didn't plant that either. It just popped loose and come out. So this is really growing out here. One thing about these bird of paradise, I don't have to water them. They like it dry. They like their feet dry. I brought Blue out here. In case there's any snakes, he can let me know. He thinks he's doing something special coming out here, because they're not really allowed out here, only if we're out here. Well, gotta go back in, do some more work, get the yard ready for the horses. But Blue's waiting.